Welcome back. It's time for another ride along with the folks from Mobile Mitsubishi. This time we're getting ready for a big festival that's happening on the Gulf Coast this weekend. It's the SouthSounds Music Festival, and we get to do so in a pretty sweet car too. Check it out. Taking a look at the new Mitsubishi PHEV. This thing is the best of both worlds. Gas when you need it, electric when you don't. Speaking of that electric, it charges up fast. You'll be ready to go just like that. Let's take this bad boy for a ride along.
How you doing, Joe?
What's up, man? Yo, we're in downtown Mobile, but you look like you could be coming from Chicago.
Well, that's exactly what it's all about, Joe. We're talking about the SouthSounds Music Festival.
Are you going Blues Brothers South?
That's what I'm doing. You need to refer to me as Jake Elwood McCoy while we do this trip here. You don't look right for the SouthSounds Music Festival, but that's okay, Joe. Look, I brought you some stuff.
Oh, nice. You're hooking me up.
You got the sunglasses. You gotta have the hat there. Well, you gotta put the tie on first, I guess.
You know what we should do through the magic of TV? I'll put this tie on really fast.
Do it. So you gotta complete the package here.
Only took like 2 seconds.
I don't know how you TV people do it. It's incredible.
We often use the magic of TV. Hey, how about the magic of Mitsubishi? Tell me about this bad boy.
Well, what we're driving today, Joe, I'm gonna try to stay in my Blues Brothers dialect if you don't mind.
The whole time.
We're driving the Outlander PHEV, which is actually short for plug-in electric vehicle, Joe.
Ah.
This vehicle, this Outlander, seats up to 7 people. Got the third row seats in the back, right? But check this out. With this vehicle, you can plug it in and charge it up in 2 hours or less and drive up to 30 miles just on the electric engine part.
So nice, you don't even want to smoke half a pack of cigarettes in here.
You don't need it. Not in this vehicle, Joe. I'm going to tell you what, this thing is amazing with fuel economy. You might even drive back and forth, especially if it's a short trip, not even use the gas engine part. You're just all electric.
Man, that is so cool. That is the wave of the future with all this new technology that Mitsubishi is bringing out. A lot of people looking for that, and it's saving you money on that gas too.
It definitely will. I mean, how often do you get an SUV that you say it's going to save me on gas? Well, you can get it at Mobile Mitsubishi with the Outlander PHEV. That's what you asked for. It's all-wheel drive, got the rear motion sensor. It has the stop motion sensor in the front to stop you if you're going to possibly have a crash, and you can fit the whole family in and maybe go down to the SouthSounds Music Festival this weekend.
Hey, speaking of the SouthSounds Music Festival, they've got another great lineup this year. So many great artists.
Amazing lineup of local bands coming from all over the South, and they're going to be set up in 5 different locations this year, Joe. 5
different locations?
Yes.
And we again are downtown Mobile, and as a matter of fact, who's that?
I believe that's one of the artists right now. Speaking of blues.
Got blues?
I believe that is Jamel Richardson. He'll be playing on Sunday. Let's pick him up, Joe. Look at this.
What's up, Jamel?
Hi, how are you, Jamel?
Man.
How you doing, buddy?
Man, it's kind of hard to have the blues in this nice car right here. Man.
That's what it's all about.
Woo.
Glad we could pick you up in time for the festival, Jamel.
We're in the mood for some music. Can you play us some?
Oh, let me see if I got some. Let me see. Yeah, go down to Mobile, get you something to eat now. Listen, not some music while you stretch out on the beach.
Oh yeah.
It ain't nothing like the Gulf Coast, eh?
Nothing.
Alabama, Mississippi, way down to New Orleans. That's what I call it right here, Joe.
Yep.
I call it Bama-Sipiana, sing.
Bama-Sipiana.
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 Alabama, Mississippi, way down to New Orleans.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
Oh, man, I'm feeling that. That song will get stuck in your head. Bama-Sipiana. Again, SouthSounds is today through Sunday at various venues in downtown Mobile. More than 50 musical acts, including Jamel Richardson, set to perform. You can check out more about SouthSounds and Mobile Mitsubishi when we post a segment under the Studio 10 tab at fox10tv.com. Coming up, we are going to tell you about ham radio and cruising for